Hello, everyone. The question is, what is 25 plus 5 called according to 4, B for ball, T for C, 4 is Jan, and 4, D for division, 4, Lizzie. First of all, if we do the calculation, 5 plus 5 times 100, and B is for 4. Now, whenever we perform multiplication under division, the value effectively increases tenfold. Now, according to the rules of multiplication and variation, you must evaluate the expression from left to right. The one that comes first on the left, that is the primary operation to address. Second is multiplication, and then finally division. Starting with number 25, we need to carefully examine the data and then proceed to locate and identify each of these specific lines within the set.